Meaning of hermeneutic.
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 Hermeneutic. Hermeneutic refers to the study of interpretation and understanding. It is concerned with interpreting texts, symbols, and cultural practices to derive meaning. In other words, it focuses on understanding the deeper context and significance behind a given phenomenon, rather than simply analyzing its surface-level characteristics. The hermeneutic approach is often used in disciplines such as literature, philosophy, and theology. By using this method, scholars can gain a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of complex topics. Overall, the term hermeneutic describes an important methodology that helps us to better understand the world around us.